in light of those people who may have had organ transplants, they take a lot of medication to be on immune suppression. But we have homeopathic that we practice. Is there any, the doctors are always keen to ask not to use homeopathic. But do you have any advice on should we continue using homeopathic even if the doctor advises us not to?
You see, we should not rely and trust on only one medicine. If you believe, if you think that homeopathic can be useful for the treatment, for that ailment, as a supplement as well, then you can use it, no problem. But those people who don't believe in homeopathic, then it will not work for them. So it is up to you. Once Hazrat Muslim Maud was taking some medicine. He took allopathic medicine first, then native Ayurvedic medicine, then after that homeopathic medicine. Somebody standing by asked him, you have taken so many medicine, which one will work? He said, I don't trust in any of the medicines. I trust in Allah Ta'ala. I don't know which of the medicine has been blessed by Allah Ta'ala to work on my ailment. So this is why I'm using all of them. See?